lows in the lower 60s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts up. Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 522, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Bay, Genesee, Huron, Lapeer, Livingston, Midland, Oakland, Saginaw, Shiawassee, and Tuscola, and the following: Outer Saginaw Bay southwest of Alabaster to Port Austin, Michigan to Inner Saginaw Bay, and Inner Saginaw Bay southwest of Point Hogre to Bayport, Michigan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, local radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.